how to add calendar in Figma. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a calendar to your design. Whether you are creating it from scratch or using a plugin, let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on a device, or you can also use Figma on web. So open Figma app. After that, open your Figma design file or create a new one where you want to add the calendar. Here I have already opened this one. Now the easiest way to add a calendar is by using a plugin. On the top you can see this plugins option. Click on it and here search for calendar. Select a plugin like calendar generator or content reel and click run. Most of these let you customize the month, year and layout. Once the calendar appears, you can fully customize it, change the font, colors or even add events or icons to match your design style. Now, if you want to create your own from scratch, just use the text tool and rectangle tool to build a simple grid with weekdays and dates. And that's it. This is how you add calendar on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.